Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about technology in agriculture. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science is on technology in agriculture. Under technology in agriculture, we're going to be looking at the roles of science and technology and the importance of science and technology in agriculture. Okay? Are we ready for the lesson? Okay. Agriculture is a fundamental part of our lives, providing food and resources for our sustenance and economy. Over the years, science and technology have played crucial roles in transforming agriculture, making it more efficient, productive, and sustainable. Agriculture is about farming and growing food. Okay? Science and technology are like our super tools that help farmers grow more and better crops. Okay? Good. So we're going to be looking at the roles of science and technology. The roles of science and technology. 1. Better crops. Science and technology help farmers grow healthier and more crops. They figure out ways to make plants stronger and give more fruit. Okay? Improving plant growth. Science and technology help farmers develop new plant varieties that grow better and produce more food. This means better fruits, vegetables, and grains. Okay? 2. Eco-friendly farming. They help us farm in a way that's good for the earth, like using less harmful chemicals and taking care of the land. Science has enabled the development of sustainable farming methods, such as organic farming, which reduces the use of harmful chemicals and promotes environmental friendliness practice. 3. No more bug troubles. Science helps us control annoying bugs and diseases that can harm crops, so we lose less food. Science and technology help in keeping crops safe from pests and diseases, so we don't waste food. It helps protect crops. Okay? Science and technology, they help in finding ways to keep harmful insects, diseases, and weeds away from the crops, so farmers don't lose as much of their harvest. Okay? 4. Healthy soil. They show us how to keep the soil happy and full of nutrients for plants. Science and technology shows farmers how to use the soil and fertilizers efficiently, so we don't waste them and protect the environment. Cool machines. We have also machines to do the hard work on the farm, making things faster and easier. Tractors and other machines make farming easier and faster. Technology is behind all these cool tools we use for farming. Okay? The introduction of machinery in agriculture has increased productivity and reduce the need for manual labor, making farming more efficient. Do we understand? Okay. Weather help. We can predict the weather and plan when to plant and harvest crops. Weather predictions. Technology helps farmers know what the weather will be like so they can plan when to plant and when to harvest. Okay? So technology helps farmers adapt to changing climate conditions by providing weather forecasts. 7. Information at our fingertips. Farmers can use the internet and apps to find out what's best for their farms. The internet and apps provide farmers with important information and tips for farming success. Okay? Technology helps in creating smart farms where everything is connected and controlled by computers for a maximum efficiency. Do we understand? So these are the roles of science and technology. These roles show how science and technology make farming more productive, efficient, and sustainable, which is essential for our food and the environment. Do we understand? Good. So next we're going to be looking at importance of science and technology in agriculture. Importance of science and technology in agriculture. 1. More food. Science and technology help us make sure there's enough food for everyone. Okay? Science and technology have introduced advanced agricultural practice. This helps farmers produce more food, which is crucial to feed a growing world population. This means there will be enough food for everyone. Okay? 2. Money and jobs. They help the country's economy by creating jobs and selling food to other places. Okay? Advancements in agriculture contribute to the economy by providing jobs, boosting exports. Do we understand? Agriculture with science and technology creates jobs and makes a country's economy stronger by selling food to other places. Okay? 3. Protecting nature. Using these tools help us to care for the environment and protect our planet. Science and technology teach us how to farm while taking care of the environment. This means we can grow food without harming nature. Future careers. They open up exciting opportunities in farming, agritech, and more. You can consider careers in agriculture, agritech, or related fields. Okay? 5. Protecting crops. Science and technology help in keeping crops safe from pests and diseases so we don't waste food. Science and technology is important in agriculture because they help in finding ways to keep harmful insects, diseases away from crops so farmers don't lose as much or we waste food. Okay? Do we understand? So science and technology in agriculture are vital for making sure we have enough good food, protect the earth, and offer opportunities for the future. Okay? So today's lesson on technology in agriculture, we understood it, right? We understood today's lesson on technology in agriculture. Okay, we talked about the roles of science and technology, right? And we also looked at the importance of science and technology. So we understood everything. Okay, good. So next, we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignments, right? Okay, good.